Good morning, students. So these are the some questions of DN book, and these are the question of chapter methods. So there is the first question in which we have to input a two number and return the greatest between of that. Class demo function is given in the question integer max, integer a comma b. We can take any other variable also. So if a is greater than b, then we will return the value of a, otherwise we will return the value of b. Second question is the similar question. In second question we have to return the minimum value between a two integer. So I am just making here the direct question number third. In question number third, you have to, there is a given in the function in question, you have to input a one character variable and the two integer, and according to the condition, if the character variable, the value of the character variable is a plus sign, then we perform addition. If the sign is a negative, then we have to subtract. If the sign is a multiply, then multiplication, then division, and so on. So this is the solution for that. Class demo void check character ch integer x comma integer y. If ch is equal to plus, then we are performing the addition a plus b. If ch is equal to, else if ch is equal to minus, then subtract equal a minus b. Third condition, else if ch is equal to plus, ch is equal to multiply sign, then we have to multiply print. And if ch is equal to divide, then division, divide equal a upon b, otherwise we will print a message invalid option. Now the question number 4, we have to input the details of the product, product name, price of single product, and the quantity. And we have to calculate the cost. So the cost will be calculate double cost equal price into quantity. Discount will be if the cost will be greater than 10,000, so discount will be the 10% of the cost, otherwise discount will be 0. So we are calculating here, if cost is greater than 10,000, the discount equal cost into 10.0 upon 100, otherwise discount equal 0.0. After that we have to calculate the net price. So net price will be cost minus discount, and we have to print all the details such as the product name, price, quantity, and net price. In question number 5th, there is the, we have to return the occurrence of d in a multi-digit number, and the number is a num, function name is a counter, and the return type of that is a integer. So we are taking integer c equals 0, long I equal num. This is the loop for extractor digit. I is greater 0, I equal I divided by 10. Integer r equal I modulus of 10. If d is equal to r, then c plus plus. So this will be repeatedly performed. And here we are making the main function for calling the above. Void main long num1 integer d1 demo obj equal new demo integer answer equal obj dot counter, then num1 comma d1. Then we are printing occurrence of d is equal answer. Question number 6, class demo integer max digit. There is the function max digit, return type that is the integer, and long num. This is the similar question as the 5th. In this question we have to return the largest digit from a multi-digit number. So we are taking a variable integer I, d, and r. Integer I equal num, I is greater 0, I equal I divided by 10, then remainder will calculate. If the remainder value of if the value of r is greater than 0, d is starting value is 0, then we will transfer the value of r into d. This will repeatedly perform, so at the last we will get the highest digit from a multi-digit number and return from the function. This is the calling of the calling function name is a result. In that we have to take a one long variable class demo, new demo, creating a object obj.maxDigit, passing the parameters, so that answer will be return answer we will store in integer ans, and we are printing the max digit is equal to answer.